Hello student, good morning. Today we will study It So Happened. Second chapter, Children at Work. There are many reasons why children have to work. Some help their family make a livelihood, others who run away from unhappy homes need to support themselves. Children who work cannot go to school and play like other children of their age. These children do not get the chance to go to school. Even they cannot enjoy their childhood. But in India or in the world, some other reasons are there: poverty, overpopulation, parental illiteracy and want more income, lack of schools for study, high education and living cost, weak law to protect adult unemployment and urbanizations, lack of education and exposure, wrong intention of factories. These are the major reasons which force the children to do the work. They do not enjoy their childhood and they are suffering from malnutrition. They do not enjoy their life. They are forced to work in factories and also rag pickings. Rag picking means कचरा चुनना, प्लास्टिक की बोटल्स वगैरह वो जो बच्चे इकट्ठा करते हैं उसको रैग पिकिंग कहते हैं. So let's begin the chapter. Velu, an 11-year-old boy, runs away from home. So main character in this chapter is Velu. He wanders around 4 hours before getting on a train to Chennai without a ticket. He caught the train without ticket. He had travelled. Tired and hungry, he doesn't know where to go when a stranger at the station shouts a word of welcome. So he was on the platform during this time. Now let's see what will happen with him. When the Kanyakumari Express pulled in at Chennai Central, it took Velu some time to get off. Here, Velu ran away from his village and he came to Chennai. When he finally stood on the platform, his leg felt wobbly, as if he was still on a moving train. The train had stopped and Velu took time to get off from the train. His legs were wobbling. Wobbling means shaking. And he thought that as if he was still in the moving train. Moving train में कैसे legs wobble होते हैं? In the same way, the train already stopped, but his legs were wobbling. Oi! Out of the way! A porter went by with a loaded trolley. Velu jumped aside, and behind him there was a porter. Porter is a person who carry the luggage of the travelers. So he called him and he wanted a way to go outside. So he called, that porter called that boy Velu to move. And in this way, Velu jumped from the train. He sat on a bench on the platform, putting his small bundle down. In all his 11 years, he had never seen so many people except once a year at the fair in the village. As Velu belongs to a small village, so he had never seen so many people. He was in big city. Chennai is a big city. So he had never seen so many people in his life. He is only 11 years old. People walked by, bumping into him with their suitcase. Bumping means striking. When the travel were passing here and there, they used to bump Velu. और वहाँ पर बैठा था उसको बम्प मतलब सूटकेस उसको लगती वहाँ से चले जा रहे थे. A voice announced something on a loudspeaker and he listened that some of the sounds occur from the loudspeaker. Near him a group of people sat on their luggage looking at TV hanging from the roof. The noise was terrible, and here he saw some people are sitting on their luggage and looking and watching at the television which was hanging on the roof from the roof. And here Velu found that the voice was very terrible. Velu put his head down on his knees, feeling miserable and exhausted. As he was tired, he was unhappy. So he put his head between his knees. He had run away from his village. For 2 days he had eaten nothing but some peanuts and a piece of jaggery. Jaggery means gul. For 2 days already passed and he had eaten only peanuts. Peanuts means singdana. He had eaten some peanuts and jaggery. In his bundle he carried a shirt, a towel and a comb. He ran away from the home. So when he ran away from home, he had shirt, towel and comb in his bundle. Bundle means उसकी जो पोटली उसके पास में पड़ी है. You can see in the picture too. He is sitting on a bench. There is a bundle besides him, kept beside him, and in which there is a comb, shirt and towel. He had walked for most of the first day to Kannur. Kannur is a name of village, and then go on the train to Chennai. So he came from Kannur. Kannur is a name of village. Kannur to Chennai by the train. Velu had no money for a ticket, but luckily the ticket collector didn't come to the unreserved compartment. He was lucky. He reached to Chennai without ticket. Actually, he took the place in unreserved department and ticket collector did not come in unreserved compartment, and that is why he could reach Chennai. He had tried to sleep on the floor near the door. A group of men next to him had played cards and shouted all night. During the journey, he tried to sleep, but some people were playing cards and they were shouted, and that is why he could not sleep in the train, and that is why he was tired, exhausted. Hey, what? New to town, ah? Called out a rough voice. Velu opened his eyes. There was a lot of people standing around, but nobody was looking at him. When his head was between his knees, someone called him. He looked up, but he showed that some people were there, but they were doing their own work. Nobody was there. Here, hey! Again someone called. He turned around. Behind him was a girl around his own age, wearing a long banyan that came down to her knees. You can see in picture. The girl was around his age, means 12 year old. Her hair was stiff and brownish and she had a huge sack on one shoulder. You can see in picture the girl's cloth is dirty. Clothes are only she wear one banyan and the cloth is dirty. She has a sack behind her shoulder. She was picking up dirty plastic cups from the floor and stuffing them into her sacks. And she was collecting the plastic bottle and stuffing means filling, भर रही थी. Stuffing them into her sack. वो शेक जो होता है जिसको बारदान कहते हैं उसमें वो भर रही थी. Why is she calling me? Thought Velu. Here Velu thought that why is she calling me? कि मुझे तो वो जानती नहीं फिर क्यों बुला रही होगी. And why is a girl wearing a banyan? Because banyan is a cloth for boy or man. So he was wondering why that girl wearing a banyan. No need to stare stupidly. What's your name? Velu muttered. Velu looking away. He did not try to look that girl. और बड़बड़ाता है कि उसका नाम वेलू है. So Mr. Velu, said the girl, looking at his bundle, run away from home? The girl looking at his bundle को देखते हुए पूछती है, she asks Velu, run away from home? घर से भागा है क्या? Velu didn't answer. He didn't want to tell some strange girl what he had done. And here, Velu did not want to share his matter with that girl because he did not know that girl. He had run away because he couldn't stand his father beating him for one more day. He ran away from the home. Velu ran away from the home because his father used to beat him. उसको मारते थे for one more day कि एक दिन और भी उसको मारे, वो अब सहन नहीं करना चाहता, and that is why he ran away from the home. His father would snatch away all the money Velu and his sister earned and spend it on drink. His father used to beat him. His father was a drunkard. Drunkard means शराबी था, and that is why, and he used to beat him because he needed the money, or whatever earned by Velu and his sister, whatever they earn, his father used to snatch. Snatch means छीन लेता था. His father would snatch the money and used to beat him. पैसे भी छीन लेता था and मारता था, and that is why Velu ran away from the home. Don't think I don't know. This place is full of children like you. So what are you going to be here? Become rich. That girl said that कि उसको क्या पता नहीं है. वो ऐसा भी बताती है कि पूरी ये सिटी है उसके जैसे बच्चों से ही भरी पड़ी है. So what are you going to do here? तू यहाँ क्या करने के लिए आया है? पैसा बनाने के लिए आया है? रिच बनने के लिए आया है? She sat down next to him. Velu shifted away slightly. That girl sat beside him. पास में बैठती है. वेलू थोड़ा खिसक जाता है because he don't know that girl. He felt hunger pinching him and pressed his stomach with a grimace. Grimace means expression of sadness. कभी कुछ पीड़ा और दर्द की वजह से हमारे चेहरे पर जो एक्सप्रेशन आता है that is grimace. So he was hungry and उसके पेट में पिंचिंग हो रही थी. कभी हम नहीं कहते हमारे पेट में चूहे दौड़ रहे और पेट में गुड़गुड़ हो रहा है. भूख लगती है तो पेट में पिंचिंग होता है. सो हिज स्टमक वॉज पिंचिंग एंड दैट इज़ वाई ही प्रेस्ड हिज स्टमक. वो दबा देता है एंड द फीलिंग्स ऑफ सैडनेस लुक्ड ऑन हिज फेस. हंग्री आज द गर्ल. गर्ल ने कहा भूख लगी है क्या? यू विल नॉट गेट फूड बाय सिटिंग हियर ग्लमी and making faces. I can find some if you want. Girl said that if you will sit here, you will not feed you. यहाँ पर बैठा रहेगा तो खा नहीं सकेगा, अपने आप को फीड नहीं कर सकेगा. And making face, इस तरह से चेहरा बनाएगा और sadly यहाँ पर बैठा रहेगा unhappily. You will not get the food. Now that girl promised, उसको promise करती है I can find some if you want. मैं तुम्हारे लिए कुछ फाइंड कर सकती हूँ अगर तू चाहता है. She picked up her sack and started to walk away. Velu stayed on the bench. What should he do? Should he follow this girl? Where was she going to take him? She was disappearing into the crowd. So he had to make up his mind quickly. That girl started walking. Here Velu was sitting on bench. What should he do? क्या करेगा वो? Should he follow? क्या वो लड़की को फॉलो करे? But he don't know where the girl was going. And if she also promised Velu that she can find food for him, so she has to take the decision quickly. He has to take the decision quickly. अब इसको quickly decision लेना पड़ेगा because that girl was disappearing into the crowd. वो फिर crowd में गुम हो जाएगी. All right, he decided. Anyway, I have no idea where to go. He jumped up and ran after her. She was not even looking back to see where he was. And when that girl was walking, even she did not care to look back Velu. वो चिंता नहीं करती कि वेलू उसके पीछे आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है. But here, Velu decided to follow that girl because he don't know where to go. He don't know nothing. Even he was new in that city. वो तो पूरा नया है, उसके पास कोई ठिकाना भी नहीं है. तो अब वो किसको फॉलो करेगा? That girl, because she had promised him to find food for him. Comprehension check 1. Velu stood on the platform but he felt as if he was still on a moving train. Why? दिस इज़ द क्वेश्चन. उसके अभी भी उसके जो पैर है वो ब्लिंक कर रहे थे बिकॉज ही वॉज टायर्ड, एग्जॉस्टेड एंड ही वॉज न्यू इन दैट सिटी. क्वेश्चन 2. What made him feel miserable? He was hungry and his stomach was pinching with hunger and that is why he felt miserable. And his father used to beat him. उसको याद आता है सब कुछ. That is why he was miserable. 3. Question 1. Velu traveled without a ticket. Why? Because he had no money and he ran away from the home and that is why he took the place in unreserved department. He had no money. How did he escape the ticket collector's attention? Yes, यहाँ पर ये आएगा कि he was in unreserved compartment and that ticket collector did not come in that compartment. 4th one. Why had Velu run away from home? His father used to beat him and snatch the money whatever he and his sister earned. That is why he ran away from the home. Why did he decided to follow the strange girl? As he was new in the city, he did not know where to go, and that is why. And that girl also promised him to find food for him, and that is why he decided to follow the strange girl. You have to write this question and answer in your homework book. Now part 2. He caught up with the girl as she was leaving the station. Velu reached that girl as she was leaving the station. When they got to the road, Velu found that the vehicles kept coming and never stopped for anyone. There was traffic on the road and the vehicles were not stopped for anyone. Smoke and dust fell at him from all sides, making his head spin. Here head spin means उसका जो दिमाग है वो चकराने लगता है because he had never seen many vehicles before. They had to wait for a long time before they could find a gap to run through. And here they means Velu and that girl got the chance and they wait for the long time there. After then they got the gap and run through. Run through means वहाँ उसके बीच में से भागते. You can see in the picture they are running on the road and many vehicles are there. There is a dust and smoke here. Velu kept hesitating and the girl finally dragged him to the other side. You can see in the picture the girl is dragging Velu on the road. Dragging means खींच कर लेकर जा रही है. What do you think you are doing? Grazing cows? If you stand around in the middle of the road like that, you will be chutney. And that girl warned Velu कि क्या यहाँ पर तेरी घाव की तरह गाय चरा रहा है क्या रोड पर? If you will stand like that, you will be chutney. अगर इस तरह से तू खड़ा रहेगा तेरी चटनी बन जाएगी. Chutney is a Hindi word. Velu's heart was still beating fast. वो अभी भी उसका जो हार्ट बीट है वो फास्ट चल रहा था बिकॉज थोड़ा वो डर गया. He frightened here. He looked back at Central Station and the traffic speeding by. He looked at the Central Station and traffic he had seen speeding by. मतलब बहुत ज़ोर से ट्रैफिक वहाँ से मतलब vehicles वहाँ से पास हो रहे थे. How had they managed to come through that? He was wondering कि यहाँ से वो कैसे बाहर निकले. They walked along the side of the road under some huge signboards. He had seen many signboards were there. Velu looked up at the pictures. Banyans, car tires, pens, a woman holding a box. The writing was all in English, so he didn't know what it meant. He had seen many signboards were there. सिटी में और हमारे गांव में भी वॉल पर शॉप्स के, कोई मॉल के और कार्स के साइन बोर्ड्स लगे होते हैं. और बड़ी बड़ी सिटियों में क्या होता है, रोड के साइड पर साइन बोर्ड लगे होते हैं. सो वेलू हैड सीन मेनी साइन बोर्ड्स देयर. Some were of banyans, car tires, pens, women holding a box, but he could not read there because those signboards were written, whatever the writing was written, it was written in English. So he could not read because he had never gone to English medium school. The girl turned onto a wide bridge and walked up. Now they turned to a wide bridge. It was a wide bridge there, and they walked up. Velu stopped and peeped over the railing. Under him, the road ran into the city. In the distance, he could see huge buildings and towers and more roads. There was a bridge, and under that bridge, the rail tracks were there. So he had see the tracks. He had see all buildings, big buildings, huge buildings and towers, and more and more roads. See that big building with the wall around it? If you are not careful, you will soon the counting bars there. The girl grinned and pointed at the huge building. And that girl pointed at the huge building and so Velu कि वहाँ देखो बड़ी सी बिल्डिंग है. The big building is there. अगर तू केयरफुल नहीं रहेगा तो उसके तू बार्स काउंट करता रह जाएगा. Velu squinted and read the Tamil sign. Central Jail. Why, I haven't done anything wrong. You don't have to do anything. Just don't get caught. That's all. That girl said that कि अगर तू ध्यान नहीं रखेगा तो तू पकड़ा जाएगा. Velu thought that कि उसने तो कभी कुछ रॉन्ग किया नहीं है. That girl said that कुछ मत करना, बस पकड़े मत जाना. अगर पकड़े जाओगे तो तू ये जो सेंट्रल जेल है उसके तू बार्स जो होते हैं वो गिनते ही रह जाएगा. What does she mean? Velu wondered. Velu सोचता है कि क्या कहना चाहती है. He wondered. He doesn't know what that girl was saying him. Meanwhile, the girl was already heading down the bridge with the sack on her shoulder. What was in it? He had seen her putting plastic cups into it at the station. Now Velu wondered here why the girl is collecting such kind of things, plastic cups and so and so. She was wondering because he had never seen in his life such kind of job. गाँव में ऐसे कोई जॉब उसने कभी देखी नहीं थी. What are you carrying in that bag? Velu asked that girl, what are you carrying in that bag? Things, bottles, paper. That girl answered. Things, चीजें, bottle, paper. Velu wondered what she was doing with them, but he felt shy to ask any more question. वहाँ पर उसको शर्म आती है कि अब क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछना है because that girl was strange for him. Even he didn't know her name, so he didn't ask another question. Student, today we are stopping here. Comprehension check on page number 9. The question and answer I already explained to you. You have to write in your homework book, and please subscribe our school channel in your phone. Subscribe this channel. Thank you and have a nice day.